When considering a sales tax software, TaxTools by CFS Tax Software is one of the most talked about options. But before you make the decision to purchase, here are 12 things you need to know about it, especially if you're comparing it to other solutions on the market. First off, TaxTools is known for its comprehensive sales tax management. It's designed to handle complex tax calculations, which can be a huge plus for businesses dealing with multiple tax rates across different states or regions. Unlike many competitors, it covers both U.S. and international tax needs, making it versatile for businesses with global operations. Next, TaxTools integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. This is a major advantage since many businesses already rely on these tools for financial management. However, if you're using software that's not widely supported, like some niche ERP systems, you may run into some compatibility issues. Compare this with other platforms that offer broader integration support, but often at higher price points. The third thing to consider is the user interface. TaxTools is generally regarded as easy to navigate, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. However, it lacks some of the customization options offered by other competitors like Avalara or TaxJar, which could be a deal breaker if you require more flexibility in your tax settings. Next thing, pricing. TaxTools is more affordable compared to top-tier competitors like Vertex or Sovos. It's a great option for businesses just starting out with sales tax automation. But if you need advanced features or enterprise-level scalability, the pricing might not be as competitive for your needs. The fifth thing is support. TaxTools offers decent customer service with options like email and phone support. However, it doesn't provide 24/7 support, which could be a downside compared to services that offer round-the-clock assistance. Next, one key feature of TaxTools is its automated filing capabilities. It simplifies the filing process by automatically generating returns and providing reminders for deadlines. This can save you hours, but other tax software platforms might offer more sophisticated automation, especially when dealing with complex filing scenarios. The seventh thing to know is the tax rate database. TaxTools boasts an extensive database that's regularly updated to reflect changes in tax rates. However, it's not as comprehensive as some competitors' databases, which may offer more accurate data in real time, especially for larger enterprises. The eighth thing is reporting. TaxTools does provide basic reporting, but if you need more in-depth analysis, such as detailed breakdowns or forecasting, it's a bit lacking. Some competitors have more robust reporting features, which can be essential if you need detailed insights into your tax liabilities. The ninth thing to note is its scalability. TaxTools is well suited for small to medium-sized businesses, but for rapidly growing companies or those with very complex tax needs, it might not keep up. Competitors like Avalara offer more scalable solutions that can grow with your business without hitting any limitations. Next, while TaxTools does offer multi-currency support, its multi-country functionality isn't as smooth as that of some competitors like TaxJar, which is specifically built to handle international sales tax needs with ease. The 11th thing to consider is updates. TaxTools does a good job of keeping its software up to date with the latest tax laws, but it may not be as quick to implement changes as others in the market. This can be problematic if you need software that's always ahead of the curve. And finally, TaxTools offers a free trial, which allows you to test the service before committing. But compared to some other platforms, the free trial is a bit limited, and some competitors offer a broader range of features with their trial periods. So, is TaxTools a good option for your business? If you're looking for a reliable, cost-effective solution for managing sales tax, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you want a more flexible, scalable solution with a broader range of features, check out our recommended option, which you can try for free to see if it fits your needs better.